day 5 of Python code, that is Armstrong number. Write a Python program to check whether the given number is Armstrong or not. So यहाँ पे examples है. If you can check 153 370. Armstrong number क्या होता है, जैसे कि मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया 153 है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सम ऑफ जो पावर रहता है उसके लेंथ का लाइक 1 power 3, because these are number 3, length is 3. So 1 raised to 3 plus 5 raised to 3 plus 3 raised to 3. अगर इनका वैल्यू इक्वल टू 153 आता है, जो नंबर है ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग, तो उसे आर्मस्ट्रांग नंबर बोलते हैं. सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू, लेट्स स्टार्ट. आई विल बी जस्ट टेकिंग अ नम variable in which I will be giving a int and taking a input from the user. Just give enter a number to check whether it is Armstrong or not. Okay, so इसके बाद what we will do, we will take a string of the num because we will be requiring that thing. So just change the type by giving str and then num. We will also be requiring the length, so I will be creating one length numLength variable in which length of this num str we will be required. Okay, so these are some of the requirements. One more variable, that is sum of number, sum of power we will give, like sum of power, okay, equal to 0, because anything added to 0 will be the value itself. So if I will be taking here input as a 153, then we need this solution like sum of powers of this. So for this thing I will be creating a for loop for I in num str, then sum of power equal to sum of power plus, here I will take an integer, okay, because this num string, it is in a string and it is taking I from the string, so we need to convert it into a int I to the power length, that is our num of length. So what will happen here, it will iterate in 153 by getting out 1 5 3 and then adding each power 1 raised to 3 to the sum of power, that is 0, then this will be coming, okay, and we will be getting the sum of power. After that, what we are going to, once we get this solution like this sum of power, after that we are going to compare it, okay. So I'll be going to compare it. If sum of power equal to our num original value, original number, then I will be just printing out that it is Armstrong number. I will be using a string. I will be instead of it I will be giving that this num is a Armstrong number. Just close it. Similarly, if this is not the thing, if it doesn't comes into the if condition, it will go in else condition if the Armstrong number is not there, and it will print that num is not a Armstrong number. So this is our solution. Let's run and see. So basically what we have done first here, we have taken a number from the user, that is 153 for example, then we have converted into a string, then we have created one of the length, that is using the length function, and then we have given a sum of power variable as 0, so that anything added to this remains whatever required. After that, iterating from the num string, we have iterated one by one, like first iteration we will be having here 1, after that here we will be having as sum of power here is 0, so 0 plus int I, that is 1, to the power num length, here num length will be 3 because 153 we have given, that is num length is 3, and here iterating like this only, the value is like sum of power becomes 3. 1 raised to 3 is 1, like it will become 1 in the first iteration. So sum of power is 1 here. After that 5 comes into a picture after this, and similarly here 1 plus 5 raised to 3, and then this addition gets into the sum of power, and similarly then 3 comes into picture, and here 3 raised to 3, and now we get the required sum. So here in the output we will just type 153 and I will just hit enter. Yes, we got the answer. 153 is an Armstrong number. One more thing we will check, like 407 we will check. Okay, it takes a little time to execute. You can also install PyCharm in your system or Visual Studio, whichever you like. 153, sorry, now I will be entering 407. See, 407 is Armstrong number, and that's how it is working. Like if I will put anything other than that, 5885 is not the Armstrong number. That's it. Thank you so much.